If you dey look me koro or you dey hear me whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable and on top of www.wazobiatv.tv/live if you dey watch us online. This na that ogbonge politics discussion show. As it is hot, we tell you now say every weekday from Monday to Friday, from 10 to 11, not on Christmas. Sake of say all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, choke mouth inside, talk them the way anything be, give you license to talk your mind so that those who the leaders go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Go Chokwote, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu well as they concern the politics matter. As it is hot.
A beautiful Thursday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Don't carry us the hot coming again. And at least that program we say we design for every Nigerian owner and us at least make we feel they do it, make we feel they relate, they rub minds on waiting they happen for Budo Nigeria. Today we'll not go different because we carry another interesting matter where we say at least somehow now when I say go chook now if we put our own eye into them, ask questions, say this thing true, change our be somehow some kind of magnetic forces they behind. We go also open our phone line so that at least our viewers will feel contribute and also at least give their own little quarter to the development of our country. My name never see change. My name now Unkubi, and this now as it is hot.
We don't go waste time. We go straight into the topic where we carry come to the and this one I did very sure say plenty people belle go begin to do as it concern this matter. This one get to do with what did happen for inside our National Assembly. Not inside per se, but if you check within the compound of our National Assembly. This one get to do with the Occupy National Assembly versus Save National Assembly. Make I break and make everybody understand. On Tuesday, 26th of April, our Senate President, when we say, in they go, they answer present every day for inside the CCT. He come out, issue statement, say, he get some kind of people, when go sponsor people, when go come for inside National Assembly, come make plenty noise. After he drop that statement, we can see some young people that went talk, say, they want collect back this our country for us. They carry waka enter inside the National Assembly, carry different placards. Some of them don't even spell waiting they correctly on top. But then go there, go register their displeasure with what they happen for inside the House of Senate or basically the National Assembly. They mention two things. They say first and foremost, they want to say make our Senate President, Senator Bukola Saraki, make him come out for that office when they based on say as in they go CCT, go answer president every day. When you know they fit sit down for the house to preside over the affairs, say now waste of time. They go also talk say that one when they buy motor of 36.5 million, when they talk say now one car for one senator representing out of the three when they inside the state, say make they even bring the thing come down. To go, I don't know that interesting twist to the issue. You get some other people when come and say them, they be save National Assembly. Say they want save National Assembly from those who call Occupy National Assembly. They come and talk say now people, they control the remote of the Occupy National Assembly people. They come there here, they shout their own. These people there here, they shout their own. We go to ask questions, say for inside this Nigeria, if we don't tire, say we won't stand up to rise up or speak against bad things when they happen for government. Now people go they control the remote for under. I mean, now we go stand up do them. How we go take do all these ones? The questions when they ask and you go contribute when it reach time for you to put the matter as it is hot.
Yes, and everybody go contribute because this matter, if sincerely just as you don't talk, we get that sincere mind. Say yes, so with the demand for certain things, we say yes, you go benefit us. Then make we know as we take go about that. We really want to find out about this one. Whether somehow make not be say somehow you get some way there from somewhere we say hey, oh yeah. Make we push na go. Me na go they protest because one make this person come out. And they will concern that group of people will say, me na insist he must to stay. He must to stay. The point is say, who be the person where they control the remote? Who be the extender that they define what thing they happen? Say these people will even come out in the first place, come they protest. Say that from their church mind. They come and call this be somehow some kind underground agreement don't play out where we say where they give the that teacher to do it in. They come out, come they talk, come they protest, come they demand for certain rights. Now what do they ask? And very soon go open our phone line so that at least our viewers go also feel called. Make we know as we go take address this matter. Make we know sincerely as Nigerians. If they channel course or would they say would they follow a particular course, we want a particular thing, make it go a particular way. We go allow people to come to define such thing for us and make we come out from our own. Come say, okay, see this, now ideas we want, make it go.
This matter is very, very simple. Under this government, now we don't see things we will never see before.
No, we don't. No, we don't see a lot of drama.
No, no, be lot of, no, be lot of, no. Allow me to land. Will you allow me to land?
No.
I'm in flight. Will you allow me to land?
You're not in flight. You're not hanging.
Okay, continue.
You're not hanging.
Okay, continue.
I should continue.
Continue.
Anyway, the point we say, as Nigerians will be, the issue, just as I don't table and make we find the right course on how we fit the address and matter our own way, rather than allow people, they call the
who be these people when they you are coming on TV to say make we dey allow who be these people when they who could be no let me talk
talk
okay.
It is a platform for people to talk
okay
but anyway talk on your own
okay the mat when these people carry go there when they sleep on top who pay for them?
You never can tell.
Maybe
they collectively come together talk say make we gather, make we join money together, make we go spend holiday for the in front of National Assembly. Make we protest for wetin we know say na our own cause.
Thank you very much.
Even apart from the match,
these people when they go occupy National Assembly, they do dey chop belleful pass people when we say they work for office. We dey talk about say unemployment for this country reach this particular level. As a people. The Constitution guarantees the right of every Nigerian to register in displeasure through peaceful protest. No doubt. Thank you very much.
No doubt.
But if the people when the government say it's not rocket science. It's not nuclear physics.
We know.
Me I know the government but me I know say the kind sense when I get. If I get government, it gets so many things when go down, even they move forward.
In the same way, the kind of sense when could be get. If I get government, I know a lot of things I will feel defined, put in place. I put and ensure at least things go the way they're supposed to go. You could not really get the sense.
If you get the sense, you no go need to I know you no go even need to talk
please.
Or the drag. I
no come the poor sand from my own Gary.
We sand. I said the kind sense when I get. What will be the kind sense when could be? Will they compete for who gets sense?
No, I get my own sense. You have your own sense.
You are driving away from the main point.
What point am I driving?
Thank you very much.
You could have, listen, in this case,
anybody when build pedestrian bridge over express, where people go use leg pass for express, you know even suppose they come and they talk say, oh, I built a pedestrian bridge, come and celebrate me, I'm intelligent, I'm good. Because now common sense, all of us know say, express, cars they travel at a certain kilometer per hour, and the only thing what you feel do to make people when they cross and they say,
pedestrian bridge.
Thank you very much.
Yes, so what is the driver?
Thank you very much.
Make I know what is the driver
now,
for this matter.
Nigerians they complain say this government you get the way when things they go from report wey they get from here now say these people when they for here now then they cause them but all of them are still the same government. Thank you. All join. Our Oga Senate President be not first come and talk say the reason why some people don't like him now because of say wetin happen for inside una party he no support am.
Just mention say wetin happen inside una party. We are here, you and I are here to address matter as Nigerians. These are not fine. Understand say everybody get inside.
Now today you know say we are Nigerians.
No, we are Nigerians.
Before the election, you know say we be Nigerians.
I still believe in the cause of change, and that change we are believing. We go see am.
Thank you. Now why they go occupy National Assembly?
We go see am.
Now why they go occupy National Assembly?
Under the leadership of Oga Muhammad Buhari, that change. We go see am. We get Ike. Ike they call us. Good morning, Ike. Ike, good morning. Ike, you there?
You see him?
Ike, they there.
They don't occupy his phone. They don't occupy his phone.
How they go occupy Ike phone?
How they don't go take occupy his phone?
Which kind of forces will occupy Ike phone?
The forces when they
now because of saying shout, now make Ike fear. You will switch off his phone.
Ike. You there? Ike. You occupy his phone.
How many Ike I call here?
You don't even fit count am.
Ike. I call say Ike again. Because I don't talk Ike. Now what not talk?
You say Ike.
You
say Ike.
You can't to read him.
You say Ike. You say Ike again. You can't say another Ike. Now you don't confuse yourself. Now even for Ike, you just talk
No.
For Ike.
Now 3 Ike I mentioned.
You say Ike.
Now person name will take place.
You say Ike.
Now person name will take place.
You can't say another third Ike again. Ike. Is that not for?
Chukudi, it does not matter.
You see? That's the confusion. Nigerians are not happy with the way things
where you dey, not where I dey.
Unkubi, this matter is clear.
It is clear. I'm not arguing.
Thank you.
I understand the fact that yes, people they occupy National Assembly, they demand for certain rights.
Thank you.
Pro Saraki, people where they
why you no contact these people say if we won't do this thing, collect our country back, see how we go do. Oh wait, excuse me, let me land.
Talk here.
Thank you. Wait.
What I talk and say, what if the right cause? Say we go allow people to control us and make us tell ourselves the good truth. Make we find cause. Say okay, see what they fight for. Make we follow the process.
Okay, Oga Saraki, Senate President. When some people for him party be no want.
No, they no one make you be Senate President.
They no one make be Senate President. He don't come become Senate President when majority vote for, say they want time. Since that time, they no allow arrest. Okay, if they go CCT every day, go answer register, true or false?
Currently.
They come talk say, okay, oh, based on say they go answer question, all those kind of things, no get time, make it come out, motto, everything. I want to ask you one question.
Why you ask me? No. Why? You don't establish your argument. You don't establish your talk. So why must you ask me the question?
Okay, I want to ask question. Feel free to answer it.
No, you are now feel free to answer it.
Who could be all of us in this country when we hear say some people they collect emoluments as former this.
Okay, somehow, yes.
Somehow.
We know of those ones.
Okay.
Virtually all of them, all join.
Thank you.
All join.
Thank you.
But from this side, though, and from this side, we know they dispute that one.
Which side and which side?
This side where that end where you did now.
Which end? Which
where
end?
they speak for?
Which end? Which
that
end?
That end where they speak for.
Which
and
end?
Which end? Here.
Which end?
As if you don't know.
Who they pay who?
Make we not mention.
Who they pay who?
Make we mention.
Who they pay who?
We get caller.
Mention.
We get Daniel. Hold on. Daniel, just respect Daniel. Good morning, Daniel.
Yeah, good morning. No, I greet you now.
We greet you too.
This Occupy National Assembly, it clears in a scam. Because the truth they say, now so they say Occupy Nigeria that year, 2012, will lead us to this problem with this. So. I remember a very well cut out policy, subsidy removal, something that was very clear that it was going to bring every development needed. But as a matter of fact, they Occupy Nigeria, they even hire artists, they perform for Jota, everything, they just like them, man.
Say their plotter and their planner.
You're right, you understand? But at the end of the day, can we possibly imagine if we have up to like 10 refineries established in Nigeria today? We know we'll get first scarcity.
Obviously not. For no get.
They say unemployment problem. You understand what I'm saying? So this Occupy National Assembly, what do you plan to achieve?
Strong talk.
National Assembly. Then what is the beauty of democracy then?
Very true. Ogadane, make I ask you one question. Ogadane, you there?
I hear you.
Make I ask you one question. Now, from the kind of example where you don't set, or the one where we know, it's very, very obvious. Say some people they use all this kind maybe Occupy or anything for their own interest. How you take things say?
2012, I remember saying that Tinubu, I sponsor them. And I believe they are the same people. Now I see the reason Occupy National Assembly.
Oga Daniel, we don't note this your important point. We get Oga Igo on standby. We appreciate. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Oga Shukudi, the man of the people, I greet you. Good morning.
Oga Igo, I greet you.
The controversial one.
And also the man of the people. I greet you too, Oga Igo.
See, basically that group, if you look that group very well, if you watch the news very well, analyze that protest, you go to say, to me, I see that group as worship. Those groups are not for they are not fighting for the interest of Nigeria.
Say they're there for something.
Just on their own, because if during the time of the increment of their life, when these labor people protest, they were able to interview those people, say, what do you want? What do you want? They talk.
Thank you.
People, if you watch them, do you see anybody interview them, say, okay, what are you protesting for?
Thank you.
Those groups are hired. They are hired. Not say they are one group. Those groups are watching. They were hired by people. Nobody interviewed them. Even the spelling inside the placard, they were not correct. So they were just hired, paid people to
go carry placard, they protest when they not even define the cause of their protest.
But
yes, that is it.
Okay, go.
So let us stop those groups. One group will come out today. One group will come out today. Let us stop that thing.
Okay, go. Make I ask you one question now. Yes. If we talk, say, okay, these people, when they do this thing, then they hired. Make we leave them, say, okay, then they hired. But what these people they fight for? Then talk, say, when they spend this kind of money to buy motor, this person will be say every day in the go court, why you not just come step aside? If we look and say, okay, oh, these things, they affect Nigerians.
True.
What do we, as Nigerians, go feed do? When we not go allow people, when we say, they will just gather people together and talk, say, go do this one, go do one. You go feed answer that question.
See, Oga Shuku, you are going to answer that question.
Okay.
That, if you see, watch that group where you talk very soon. You will see that group again. That group go come out. if they press them something, Nigeria is all about money. If they give them something, now you see that group go come out. You go see another group again. But if we want to say they want to protest, come out, let's come out, not 20 people, 30 people. If you come out in mass, when you see in other country, if you try this, if you do this, say you want car, you want this, somebody can just stand up with mass protest and say, resign.
Yes.
To resign. Other countries, it happened, go to Brazil because of their budget.
Everybody come out. Oga Igo, we don't note your important point. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much,
Oga
Igo.
Emphasize, say, Igo, they're very important, say, as a people, if we want to do anything collectively, make we do them together. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as we get to do with Occupy National Assembly versus Save National Assembly, who they control the remotes. Now, see, as it, you in the house complete. Hot.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.